I have already repurchased some of these and I just got them in. This next item I've already repurchased like 6 times and that's like witchcraft in a bottle and I will absolutely be repurchasing it. I'm a little annoyed I haven't yet. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video I have not done in eons. I truly don't know how long it's been since I've done an Empties video, but I tend to just toss things without thinking about it, but this time I was mindful enough to keep and hold on to things, or I'm noticing I'm getting low on things and I'm trying to decide, do I want to repurchase some of this? Buy, rebuy, buy? Let's find out. If you are new to my channel, hi new friend. I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every week. So I have a lot of favorites that I've now emptied and used up, and some things that I'm kind of on the fence about. So I guess let's just dive right in. The question I got the most over the past summer was what lippies was I wearing? And I've essentially gone through some of my ultimate favorites and now they're completely empty. These are all from ColourPop. This one is Aquarius. This one is Aquarius 2, and this one is Aquarius the lip gloss. So I was kind of torn, like I really enjoy a few of the other shades from ColourPop. I clearly need to kind of branch out a little bit and try other brands and things. But certain ones were cult classics for me, and that sounds so silly considering they just came out like last year. The Aquarius line for me has been so great. It's like universal for so many skin tones and so many people that I have recommended it to. The whole line, people have been like, it works for me too. I love it. How's that possible? Like I've got friends that are blondes that love it. My mother-in-law really likes it. There's a lot of different skin tones and ages that can wear these nude shades, and some people are like, oh, it's a nude, who cares? No, really, you gotta have a good nude to pull off a look. I have already repurchased some of these and I just got them in. I bought the Aquarius shade in the Ultra Satin Matte Lip, which is my ultimate coveted item for my lips and for the summer and spring and fall and winter and all of it. And the Aquarius 2, which is also the, let's see, this one's the Ultra Matte Lip. I bought 2 of the Aquarius 2s, not because it's my favorite. Actually, the original Aquarius is my ultimate favorite. I'm actually wearing that today. But this Aquarius 2 is apparently like going out. According to their website, they said once it's gone, it's gone. So because I know how quickly I went through the first tube, I bought 2 tubes. So if you do like the Aquarius line, Aquarius 2 in the Ultra Matte Lip is apparently going out of stock. So buy it while you can. The next product that I have here, I discovered in 2017, and so did a lot of other people, and it is my Tarte Shape Tape. Now I use the shade Light Neutral and I really like it. This actually is a light neutral that works well with my skin. My ColourPop one is a little too light. I will definitely be repurchasing this. I have not yet, because I still have some other items that I really love. Like I told you guys, No Filter Concealer to me is a dupe for this. It doesn't last as long though. So I will be repurchasing this because this formula and this color is great for me, especially as we get closer to springtime. But I do want to use up more of my ColourPop and probably try some other shades in the future of that as well. But I will be buying this again. It's awesome. This next item I've already repurchased like 6 times, and it is my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This mascara for me, it separates, it elongates, it curls my lashes. I've always said on my channel, my eyelashes are really fickle. They fall all the time. This is great for them. I've repurchased this a million times. I don't even know what tube I'm on, to be perfectly honest. Have rebought this already. It's already over here in my collection. Can't speak enough about this. Oh, this is a Boxycharm item that I've recently used in a video, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I use this sparingly because it's a small little bottle, as you can see, and I still have it. I like this well enough, but I can't say that I'm going to be repurchasing it. My skin is very fickle. I have oily skin, but I also have acne prone skin. So for me, I gravitate more towards things that I can use on a daily basis. And I found with this product, if I used this every single day, I would all of a sudden get a blemish or two, even when this was the only thing new in my rotation. So I can't say I'm gonna be repurchasing this. If I ever get it again, will I use it? Sure, but am I seeking it out right now? No. I talked about these in a fail, I think at the end of last year, and it is the Ardell Natural Multi-Pack Lashes. These lashes don't give me enough oomph in my daily life, nor do they give me enough oomph for filming. For sure not for filming, for sure not for photos, but when I even just want to wear something a little extra to get me through a work day or going to an event or a dinner, these fall off. I think I told you guys this in my December faves and fails where my husband actually was like, hey, you have a lash falling off. What? Fix that. So it was, you can even see here, this one is just a little rogue one that I could never get to stick no matter how many times I tried to. This natural line just doesn't work for me. So I won't be repurchasing this particular style, but I will be always buying more Ardells because Ardells are great. It's just the natural lines just don't work for me. Okay, so I have two setting sprays here, and one is awesome and one is less awesome. And I'm running low on these, so I have to make a decision soon if I will be repurchasing them. And this is the Spray Set Go. We got this from Boxycharm. I've done some looks with this recently, and you've heard me talk about this. This, for me, is really great for brushes when you're wanting to get a little bit more pigment out of your shadows. But I do not like to spray my face with it. It is very, very assaulting. It gets down and dirty with your face the second you are trying to set it, and it's assaulting. It's all over your face, and you're just like, look like you went to a water park after you spray this on your face, and I don't care for that. I will not be repurchasing this. I'm always open to get more setting sprays from Boxycharm and anywhere else, but this one I'm gonna steer clear from. The one that I do love, though, is my MAC Fix Plus. It's the Prep and Prime. This is coveted. Everyone knows what this is. I am getting down to the very bottom. I will be repurchasing this. I still want to try some others. I feel like I didn't go out of my comfort zone too much with setting sprays on my own in 2017, so I do want to try some other ones, and I heard the All Nighter is great. I've heard so many of them are great, so I do want to repurchase this, but I may try some other things in between that are so hyped here on YouTube. Something that I don't physically have because I can't find it, I think my husband may have tossed it because it was empty, is the Mario Badescu. I don't know if I'm saying his name right. It was the, what was that? It's for the acne. It's the Mario Badescu drying lotion. I use that stuff all the time. If you look at my Instagram, the year after I got married, my husband and I took a photo every single day to kind of like commemorate our first year of marriage. And many of those nights, if we had forgotten to take a picture during the day or if that was the only time we got to see each other was after work, you will most likely see me with a bunch of Mario Badescu drying lotion all over my face because I have acne prone skin and that clears up the acne. It is crazy how you could start to get one of those really big zits coming in. You know what I'm talking about, the ones that are under the skin. You put that on and it either shortens the life of it or it's gone. That's like witchcraft in a bottle, and I will absolutely be repurchasing it. I'm a little annoyed I haven't yet because I started to get one last week right here and I was like, that's when I discovered it was empty. Because it was when I needed it. I had some pretty good skin going on through the holidays. I didn't really need it. But we're getting to a season where we don't know what season we're in with the weather. Hot, cold, warm, freezing. And I was like, oh, I'm getting some acne, and I went to go use it and it was empty. So we'll be repurchasing that. Even my husband loves that stuff. So these are the empties that I have been kind of accumulating for a while. Some of them are coveted, loved items, and some of them I was like, do I want to repurchase that? Or do I want to try something new? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every week. Bye, friends.